How to cook Sunday roast dinner. Cooking for men and students. Vegetarian friendly. Traditional Sunday dinner. Lovely. What you'll need: 1 bottle of red wine, half a pack of halloumi cheese, perfect for cooking and tastes delicious, a pack of chicken breasts. These are tomato, mozzarella and balsamic chicken fillets, 5 or 6 medium-sized potatoes, white or red, 2 sweet potatoes, optional, but if you don't use them, add a couple more ordinary potatoes, 2 parsnips, optional, peas or other frozen vegetables, 3 Yorkshire puddings. They are pre-cooked and just need a few minutes in the oven. Cheesecake for dessert. What it will cost. Meal for 3, £8.21. Per person, £2.73. Preparation time, 1 hour 40 minutes. 20 minutes to boil the potatoes, 1 hour and 10 minutes to roast the vegetables, 30 minutes for the chicken breasts, 6 minutes for the halloumi, 4 minutes for the Yorkshires. What to do? Some hours before you start cooking, take the cheesecake out of the freezer. Open the bottle of red wine and pour into a glass. Drink wine. Select 5 or 6 potatoes, more if you're hungry. Peel potatoes and cut to size and wash in cold water. Place potatoes on stove on full heat. Peel and cut to size 2 sweet potatoes. Wash in fresh water and leave to stand in water. These don't need boiling. Cut the top off parsnips and scrape with blunt knife to remove skin. Wash in fresh cold water and leave to stand in water. These don't need boiling. After about 10 minutes, when the potatoes come to a boil, turn the heat down to a simmer. After 25 minutes, prod the potatoes with a fork and if soft, drain into a colander. Pour oil into a baking tray. Add drained potatoes to baking tray. Drain and add parsnips to baking tray. Drain and add sweet potatoes to the baking tray. Drizzle oil over vegetables. Place baking tray in oven at 200. Note the vegetables will take about half an hour longer to roast than the chicken. Baste roast vegetables from time to time by tipping the tray to one side and with a spoon scooping the hot oil over the vegetables. Read directions on back of chicken packaging. Remove cardboard sleeve and plastic film from chicken breasts. Remove sauce sachet. Yours may not have one in. After potatoes have been roasting for half an hour, place chicken breasts in oven. Time for another glass of wine. When chicken breasts have been cooking for about 20 minutes, put peas or frozen vegetables on to boil. When the chicken breasts have been cooking for 25 minutes, place Yorkshire puddings on top of potatoes for about 4 minutes. Slice half the pack of halloumi. Put a knob of butter or margarine in frying pan and cook halloumi for about 3 minutes aside, half heat. Note, halloumi will burn very quickly. Stay with it. Make gravy if required. Remove baking tray from oven when vegetables are golden brown. Place on chopping board, not the worktop. Transfer roast vegetables to plates. Add halloumi first and then chicken to plate. One dish is vegetarian. Drain and add peas to plate. Serve with a glass of wine. Don't forget the cheesecake. Now, I'm not saying it was good, but this was the end result. What do you think? Please subscribe to get all our easy to cook meals.